Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video I'm going to show you how to check your money on Bigo Live. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the Bigo Live app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it from Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. And once you download the app, launch the app, and at the bottom of the screen you can see there's live video, go live, chats, and me option. Tap on me. Then you can see there's wallet option right below creator center. Tap on it and you can see on your screen there's diamonds and beans option. They are basically Bigo Live's currency. You can either buy rewards or the diamonds from the beans you've received. You can also exchange those beans or rewards into the real money. And guys, that's it. That's how you check your balance on Bigo Live app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.